this is for you. Yes, it is for you. And so like yeah, these, yeah, and also look at this. It was raining before, so now it's just wet. There's also, oh my god, what? Is that normal? I don't think that's normal. Okay, so I went, oh look at these other flowers. So yeah. And now let's go check for some insects. It's the morning right now. Yeah, blah blah blah. Look at the beautiful tree. Oh, I think there is something. Oh look. Oh, enough mud. That's bird caca. Okay, so, oh look at this. There's birds up. Oh, bird. There's a bird. Oh, look. You saw a fly? Look. Bird. That was embarrassing. So cute. Okay, enough with the birds. Time to see the flowers. Wait, where's the flower? There you are. Oh. Okay, let's check on the bird. Cute little birdie. Bird, where are you? Bird, where are you? Okay, well, I don't see the bird. I don't see it, but I hear it. Yeah. Now look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my god. Huh. Yeah, it was raining. I don't really know what to do right now. I'm recording this video because I'm bored. Okay, so anyway. This is for you. This here is for you. And this is for you. Yeah, that is for you. That is for you. Yeah, so that was for this, was for that plant. Was for this plant. This was for that plant. Okay, bye bye.